So first, I have pork boneless. At ilagay natin ito sa pan, guys. So, ilagay natin ang pork. So, put the pork. And then, lahat guys, ilagay natin. So, ito na. So, no oil guys. And then, after that, cover natin. Cover. And then, just medium heat. Mag-harvest tayo ng spinach guys. So, lagay natin dito. So, ang fresh ng ating spinach. So, they will grow back. Fresh and healthy. Napakaganda ng spinach. Nagano talaga siya, oh. Napakataas. So, dito tayo mag-harvest. Napakaraming spinach guys. Last time nag-harvest ako nito. Na yun guys, ang ating spinach. So, ganito ang ating gagawin. So, pag ganyan guys, kunin natin ang leaves. Ganyan. So, dapat guys, i-save natin ang ganito. I-replant natin ito. I-replant natin at mabuhay ito ulit. So, mga ganito guys. So, ang kunin lang natin yung leaf lang niya. So, ganyan lang. So, ganito. Ganito. And then, i-replant natin. So, i-check natin. Check natin na. So, low the heat guys. At, i-mix natin. So, mix natin ito. So, mag-ano lang, medium heat lang guys. Para hindi siya masunog. Medium heat. Until mag-brown siya. Until mag-brown lahat ang meat. So, cover again and wait 5 minutes again guys. Ganito guys, dapat ganito ang pork natin. Lahat is brown. Ganito. And then, i-transfer natin ito guys. So, transfer natin sa plate. Transfer natin lahat. So next steps, onion and garlic. So ginamit natin ang oil sa meat guys. So ganyan. And then follow natin ang ating vegetables na beans. So, ganyan lang. Cook for only 3 minutes guys. Cover. So, kunin na natin. So, next, ilagay natin ang ating pork. So, lauris guys. Black pepper. If you don't have magic syrup, you can use garlic powder or salt. So mostly I use magic syrup. And then the dill seasoning. The dill seasoning, guys. A little bit. And the Sprite. 1 cup Sprite. 1 cup Sprite. And then mix. So maybe I will put more dill seasoning. 1/2 cup dill seasoning and mixed until maluto ang ating beans. So cover. So ito na yun, guys. Lastly, the spinach. Lagay natin ang spinach at i-mix natin. So be sure the beans is fully cooked, guys, or not really cooked, it's like half cooked. And then I add 1 cup of Sprite. So the total of the Sprite is 2 cups kasi medyo salty siya. So next time, guys, i-ano nyo lang yung soy sauce kasi medyo salty na ang seasoning, yung soy sauce niya. So this is the maybe only 2 minutes for the spinach and it's done. And cover. So tapos na, guys, it's done. So dapat half cook lang yung spinach, not fully cook, kasi yung husband ko is gusto niya half cook lang yung vegetables. So yeah, that's it for today's video, everyone. God bless you all. Bye bye.